Welcome to a brighter future with Spoton General Dealer. Imagine a bustling household, lights flickering, replaced by the clean, sustainable energy of bright solar panels. Need reliable solar solutions? Look no further than Spoton General Dealer. No job is too big or too small for us. Our dedicated team is ready to light up your life with cutting-edge solar technology. Kickstart the new year with our amazing deals on premium solar products. Visit our website at spotonza.co.za and explore our exclusive New Year special. Make the switch to solar and enjoy energy independence this year. Round-the-clock peace of mind is here with our handyman services available 24/7, ready to tackle any repairs you might need in your home. Our professionals handle everything with unmatched expertise, ensuring your home runs smoothly. Stay cool with our expert HVAC services. Whether it's a scorching summer day or a chilly winter night, our highly trained technicians will keep your space perfectly comfortable all year round. Got any kitchen appliances on the fritz? Don't worry. Our team specializes in refrigeration and mechanical repairs, providing top-notch solutions you can rely on. Trust our skilled electricians to keep your systems running flawlessly, day and night. Whether it's an urgent issue or routine maintenance, we're committed to ensuring your electrical systems are in perfect condition. At Spoton General Dealer, teamwork makes the dream work. Our team is proud to offer a workmanship guarantee, so you can choose us with complete confidence, knowing that quality is our top priority for all services. Based in the heart of Pretoria, South Africa, we're just a phone call or email away. Reach us at 2761-687-3977 or email spotongeneral8@gmail.com to book your service today. Experience the unmatched simplicity and satisfaction of Spoton General Dealer services. Quality and friendly service right at your doorstep. Make the smart choice for your home and family with Spoton General Dealer, where excellence is our standard.